play their role in the area of casting their votes without any hindrance. On that note, we want to ask every one of you that in performing your duties, you should be professional. I want you to know that out of what you are doing, somebody can be provoked and try to cause some kind of confusions while on beat because he believes if he does so, maybe the election will not proceed. So we want every one of you here to be professional while conducting or performing your duties. We also want to add that you should not be partisan. Everyone knows you are not supposed to be biased when you are there. And you don't belong to any group of the political parties. That's why we are supposed to be apolitical. So it is assuming everyone that's here does not supposed to take part in playing any role in terms of campaigning to ask people to vote for any party. We have to be justified of what we are doing. I hope we are together.
Yes, sir.
And your being here is to represent the core as good ambassadors. And we should know the name we are bearing, civil defense. We are supposed to be friendly to people all. So, by we not playing any role will indicate how transparent we are. If we are not civil defenders, we will not be here. And we would have not been invited for this exercise. We are saying, do your duty well. Just like the commandant said, represent us well. And that's why we say we are an ambassadors that they have sent us to come and tell the world that we can do it better, that we are not a second base. I hope we are together.
Yes, sir.
We are adding that the protection of critical infrastructure, we should not forget. It is one of our cardinal mandates. We are civil defenders. That's the key to what we do. And we are the lead agency when it comes to protection of critical infrastructure. Here as a whole, the number of personnel we have here, we have a total of 6,464. Some are not here, we have already posted it to other local governments. These are the only people we have now, and others are going to that we are supposed to provide election monitoring for the Edo State election within the city. So we call on everyone to exhibit good habit. Don't be temperamental. Try to be friendly, to tell the people to do what is worthy to be done. And then try to also represent us well, because one single thing you do, it can affect the whole corps. I have said to us earlier, don't be partaker in any of the criminal act, because the eyes of the people is on you. Whatever you do, be conscious that the eyes of the people is looking at you. Even your eyes is looking at you. I hope we are together.
Yes, sir.
So, those that have not been detailed, we shall detail you here. And make sure you abide by the rule of the game. The rule of the game is to be sure that people are given the opportunity, people are not disfranchised from casting their votes. But while trying to perform your duty, be somebody who should be able to do the duty. Don't cause anything that will cause any problem there. And don't help any other person to commit crime while you are at the point of your duty. Because whatever you do, it will not be we, it will be I only. That's what the uniform says. If you commit anything that is wrong, I'm sure they will call civil defense. By the end, you'll be the only one. So we beckon on you to give us the best you can do to make sure this election is free, fair, and credible. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Will you give us the best?
Yes, sir.
So I thank all of you for hearing us, and I believe you are good ambassadors of the corps and you present the corps well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.